Metallic impurities in mustard seeds can come from machinery or environmental sources. These contaminants impact seed quality and safety, making their removal essential. Let's see how our destoner removes metal from mustard seeds. The mustard seeds are fed into the machine, where they pass over a conveyor belt equipped with strong magnets. Magnetic destoners use powerful magnets to attract and remove metallic particles from mustard seeds. As the seeds move through the magnetic field, the magnets attract metallic impurities, ensuring the seeds are clean. The clean mustard seeds continue their journey and are collected into a container. Magnetic destoners ensure food safety, protection of machinery, maintenance of product quality. Jaykrishna Magnetics offers advanced magnetic destoners and separators, ensuring high-quality purification, making them a top choice. Let Jaykrishna Magnetics simplify your seed processing with reliable magnetic destoners and separators.